In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to a project in Asana. Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add members to a project in Asana so your team can collaborate effectively. Whether you're onboarding a new teammate or bringing stakeholders into the loop, this quick process ensures the right people have access to the right work. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and navigating to your workspace. If you're a part of multiple workspaces or organizations, make sure you're in the correct one for the project you're managing. You'll typically see the workspace name at the top of your screen, and switching takes just a moment. Taking the second to confirm you're in the right place helps avoid inviting people to the wrong environment. Next, open the specific project where you want to add members. You can find it in your sidebar or by searching for the project name. Once the project loads, give the page a quick glance to confirm it's the correct one. Look for familiar tasks, sections, or the project description. This helps ensure you're inviting people to the intended project. In the top right corner of the project, click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel, where you control who has access. Think of this area as your project's front door. Anyone you add here will be able to enter and collaborate. In the Invite People field, start typing the name or email address of the person you want to add. As you type, Asana will suggest matching people from your organization or contacts. This is helpful for avoiding typos and making sure you're inviting the right person, especially if multiple people have similar names. Select the correct person from the suggestions so the system knows exactly who you mean. Double-check the selection before moving on. It's a small step that prevents confusion later. When you're ready, click Invite to add them to the project. That's it. Your invite is on its way. The new member will now have access to the project and its tasks. Typically, they'll receive a notification and can view task details, leave comments, and participate in discussions. If they're new to your workspace, they may need to accept the invitation before the project appears on their end. You can repeat this process to add more teammates, keeping your collaboration focused and organized. A quick best practice is to invite only those who need visibility, which helps keep your project streamlined and secure. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.